See, you have changed my life in many ways since we were just 18 years old. You have guided me to be the caring, the loving, and the responsible man I am today.
Hello, Seth. On our first day at the beach, I knew I'd drive you crazy. From making you take every toll road, to getting my card, to making you call your roommate Brock to pick where we eat at.
When I was assisting my grandmother with hers, we've been through things that hopefully most people won't have to in their lives. We've been through many struggles, but never with each other, just together.
So Seth, I love you with my whole heart, and I choose you and will forever choose you.
I promise to provide for you for the rest of our lives. I promise to care for you and our family. I promise to you the man you fell in love with for eternity. I love you, Jesse.
Seth, you may kiss your right.
Seth and Jess complement each other very well with their selflessness, work ethic, and loyalty. Seth, Jess, I ask that both of you always put your marriage above all, and that each other's happiness is always your #1 priority.
What we've always known, so let this feeling grow.
To see him stand up there and say his vows, even though I couldn't hear all of them, but the tears that roll down your face just show the true love that you guys have for each other, and that truly makes me happy.
These days come to life like a river keeps on winding. We know this is our time. Keep the memories that we're finding. Times like these come and go, so let this feeling grow. Finally see.
I feel so honored and privileged that I get to stand here and I get to be part of this and I get to witness this. So I just really want to cheer to both you and Jess.